Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something I normally wouldn't do, which is take down my hair on camera. And this will be my wash day. Although you won't see me wash my hair on camera, I am going to show you different products that I use. So this is my hair from the last time you saw me. I ended up keeping my hair for 2.5 weeks, and I did not wash it during this whole time, which is not normal for me because I'm used to washing my hair every week or every 2 weeks. So yeah, so it looks kind of dusty and dirty to me. So I probably could have washed it and just left it up longer, but you know me, I like to change my hair pretty often. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my hair and put it into different sections so I can go ahead and take my hair down. Now, I'm no expert and this is not the proper way probably to take your hair down, but this is just what I do. Um, so don't come at me for, not doing doing it the proper way. I know I said I was gonna post a video of me styling my hair in this in these twists, but honestly, I pretty much wore it down or either in the ponytail. I probably could have worn it in different styles, but wearing it down and just going was just an easy thing for me to do. So what I'm gonna do is just do one at a time and start taking it down from the bottom, um, and then work my way up. Now, once I take it down from the bottom and all the way to the top, I'm going to start untwisting it and finger detangle it first before I apply either a comb or a detangling brush or whatever I have to detangle. And I'm going to do this section by section and row by row. So every time I finish the row, I pretty much detangled it with the brush or a comb. This hairstyle I noticed had a lot of buildup. I was honestly surprised by that because when I do like my regular twist with braids, like I don't get as much buildup, and I don't know if it's because I only used grease and oil versus some kind of cream, but like I use cream, but it wasn't like a lot like I normally would use. So I don't know if that had something to do with it or what, but this hairstyle, for some odd reason, once I was done brushing, I saw like a lot of buildup on my hair. And I just thought that was just quite odd because I hardly see that. I am going to be taking my brush and just detangling from the bottom. You did see me use the comb, but it wasn't doing what I needed it to do. I wanted it to be detangled. So I just ended up using my brush. And then I went through it with my comb. I probably could just use the brush because as you can see, it easily glided through with the comb. So the brush pretty much did the job. You can see me pulling like buildup out my hair. So I'm just going to continue doing that throughout my head. For the purposes of this video only, I am working from the front to the back. Normally I would work from back to front, but I did this so you guys could see it up close in person, because if I did it from the back, obviously you wouldn't be able to see it that well. But normally I start from the back and then I work my way up. This took me about 1 hour to take down. It took way longer than I wanted it to. I don't know if it's because of the way how I twisted it or what, but my hair was really tangled by the time I took this down. Okay, so once I'm done with each section, I just take my hair and two-strand twist it out the way. And then I continue to do that throughout my entire head. Okay, y'all, so my hair is taken down, detangled. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to show you the hair that I lost in a 2.5-week period. Yeah. So this is it. This is how much hair I lost. I don't know if this is normal, but yeah, I think so maybe. Because you're supposed to lose about 100 strands a day. So yeah, I guess so. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair with shampoo. Normally I don't show the shampoos I use because they're not always the same, but I'm just trying to use what I have. So I use this shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna wash my hair off camera just like this. I do expect some twists to come down, that's fine. And then I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys what I use and detangle my hair. So I'll be right back after I'm done washing. Okay, my hair is washed. I did wash it in the twist, and this is what happened. So only for the purposes of this video, like I did for taking it down, I'm just gonna show you what I do in the front. Because again, I want my hair stretched. I'm not gonna blow dry it, and don't mind these bags because it is late. And I needed my hair to be dry for tomorrow, so it is what it is. But anyways, I'm just gonna put this hair in the back out the way. And again, for the purposes of this video, I'm only gonna do the front half of my hair just so you can see what I do. And then I'll come back and show you when I'm done what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and put it into sections and clip this hair out the way and start detangling. So the product that I'm gonna be using is in my African Pride oil that I always use. And I'm just gonna apply that all throughout the strands of my hair. And then I'm just gonna use my Blue Magic, mainly on like my scalp. Once I apply that, I'm just gonna get some water, spray it on my hair. I need a deep conditioner really bad, but I wasn't at my house when I filmed this video, so I just did what I had to do. So I started detangling with the comb first, and then I got to my handy brush because it just works better. All right, now that's detangled. I'm just gonna take my hair and split it into two, and I'm gonna twist it as if I was doing kinky twist or single-use twist, where I twist the hair and then I twist it as I go. So twist the hair, twist it as I go, twist the hair, twist it as I go, twist the hair, twist it as I go, and continue to do that throughout my entire head. You don't have to do it this way. It's just something that I do because I know the twist will stay in. If I did it the regular 2-strand twist way, it will come unraveled before I even woke up the next morning. Most people probably wouldn't consider this being stretched, I guess, because most people would put the hair in like what do you call it, braids, or I don't know, they just would do something probably totally different than what I do, but this is what works for me. So what works for me may not necessarily work for you. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the front off camera, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I am done with the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so my hair is detangled again after my wash. I'm gonna let it air dry overnight, and I will braid it tomorrow, but this is what it looks like. Tomorrow I'll take it down and I'll show you what it looks like, stretched, I guess you can say, without heat. And you may wonder how much hair I lost the second detangle, and this is all I lost, like just a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go get me some rest because, as you can see from the bags under my eyes, I am tired. But I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, y'all, so this is the next morning. For the most part, my hair is dry. It's just maybe like 95% dry, I would say. So I'm gonna show you again for the purposes of this video. I'm just gonna do it from the front, but normally I would start in the back. I'm just gonna show you. You know what? I am gonna start in the back because I don't want to get myself confused. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you my hair stretched. Okay. Most people braid their hair to stretch it. Honestly, I don't think it matters as long as it's detangled, dried, whatever. But this is my hair out and about. I will go ahead and end this video because I'm going to film another video with my hair just like this. But I'm going to do it in the next video that you'll see next week. So I guess I will see you in the next video. Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.